Hey guys, welcome to week one of Hexter 4 of Earth Science. We're going to be exploring some pretty big topics starting this week and then kind of pouring into week two. We're going to talk about what is climate change, what are some of the causes, both man-made causes and then some natural causes of climate change. How does climate change affect life on Earth for both our species and many other species? Um, Maybe most importantly, a topic we're going to study is why are we still debating climate change? In certain communities and in politics, people are still talking about whether or not climate change is real and whether or not humans have anything to do with it, even though the science on the topic is extremely clear. So why is that still happening? And in my opinion, this is one of the most important scientific topics for you guys to understand and be able to think critically about, because your votes in the future and your choices as far as how you live will have a really big impact on the future of planet Earth and of all the humans and living things that reside here. So please really dig in this week and next week as well, and think deeply about these issues and how important they are, and how you can affect them and how your votes can affect the issues. Let me know if you need anything. There will be some projects coming up in weeks 2 and 3, and yeah, happy week 1. See you guys soon.